Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do a report here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating reports in Salesforce is a great way to analyze data and gain insights into various aspects of your business. Because for one, Salesforce provides powerful reporting tools that allow you to customize reports to fit your needs. Once you are logged into your account, depending on how you set it up, I want you to click on the search setup option here and type in reports. What will happen is you'll be forwarded here. If you can't find it, go to the quick finds, type the report, and you would be forwarded to the reports dashboard. You see this one? All you have to do is click on the new report. You have all of these options on the left side wherein you can select a report type. Is it going to be accounts and contacts, opportunities, customer support reports, leads, campaigns, activities, contracts and orders, or maybe quotes? From here, all you have to do is click on this option. There's going to be a drop-down menu. You can click on the details, hide report type, or click on the start report. All right. Now, if you don't have any records yet, make sure you are selecting the proper report type. If you do have, all you have to do is click on the run report, and that's basically how you create reports in Salesforce. All right, because doing so will help you analyze trends, patterns, and performance metrics, enabling informed decision making. Again, if you can't find a report, all we have to do is again go to the search option here, click on reports. How about we create a new report from the other account type because we don't have one? How about leads? All right, so leads with converted lead information and leads. Now, as you can see, if you click on the start report, you can have a historical data to understand sales cycles and make accurate predictions about future performance. Not only that, you can also use to create dashboards that visually represent key metrics, provide quick insights at a glance. All you have to do is click on run. All right. Generating reports in Salesforce is a straightforward process that empowers organizations to leverage data for a lot of decision making and performance tracking. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.